Hey everyone, this is Copperhead from Destination Thrills, and I'm here with a quick analysis video of the Copperhead Strike opening. With the release, we have seen several POVs and reverse-facing POVs of this ride, and I have to say I'm very impressed with how the coaster performs. First off, the JoJo roll. The hang time that it looks to give its riders is really impressive and seems to be a great way to start this ride. Then the launch section actually seems to have some force to it, which I'm a little bit surprised by because Mack Ride seems to have really soft launches with their coaster. This one seems to have a bit of force to it. Now, I would have to ride it to know for myself, but just looking at the POVs and hearing some of the reviews, it seems to have a bit more force to it. Now, we're not talking Intamin hydraulic launch type force, but forceful than other Mack coasters. The other thing to notice is the inversions have tons of hang time. The first loop, the riders are just hanging there. It seems that the only thing keeping riders in are the restraints. The other thing I noticed was there are several good moments of airtime, even several ejector airtime moments. And the only thing that looked to be a little disappointing is the airtime hill over the launch. It doesn't seem to have a strong ejector airtime. Maybe it's just some slight floater air. And again, I'm just judging from the reverse-facing POVs, but it didn't look like an impressive moment. But I believe the coaster makes up for that in the finale, which seems to be several snappy transitions, banking low to the ground, and with some really solid speed. So, needless to say, I am very excited to get out there and try this coaster. If you've gotten a chance to ride Copperhead Strike, please leave your thoughts about it in the comment section below. That will do it for this quick analysis video. If you like this video, give it a like and click subscribe for more theme park content. I'm Copperhead. Have a good one, guys.